Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since last I came on and did a video. I just want to apologize. I would do a life update, probably my next video, and explain why I have been MIA. But as you've seen the title, this video is going to be a granny transformation video. I have always had thoughts of doing my grandmother's makeup. Reluctantly she came, but we're gonna get this show on the road. Please comment down below and let me know if you think I look like her. This is my mother's mommy, and most of y'all would know from my social media, my mom, my sister, and I are literally triplets. So we'd like to think that we got our looks from granny, yeah? So without further ado, please keep on watching. But wait, where you thought you were going, sis? Have you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell? I'm waiting on you. Because she has dark circles, I'm going to go in with the orange color corrector and apply it on all the darker areas so that when I apply the foundation, it doesn't show the hyperpigmentation below the foundation.
Why are you looking so scared? Guys, this is like the first time she's getting makeup done. Isn't she doing great? Comment down below. Let her know. She'll already comment.
Mama, how are you doing about that? Mama, can you act like Mama? Mama, why not being my friend? She has nothing to say to you at this time. She's on mute. Like a Chinese.
Those is getting crazy.
What? No, they aren't. So guys, this is the finished product. Comment down below and tell me if you like the transformation. I'm just so happy I got the opportunity to do this. I'm going to forever cherish the time that I'm spending with my granny. We call her Mama Yoon or Mama. Okay guys, so thank y'all so much for watching. Comment some video ideas that you'd like me to do in upcoming videos. But until then, bye.